Reservoirs of life on earth. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to Splendid Safari. My name is Juan, and I'll be your host for today's presentation. Okay, now before we start the show, I'd like to make a few announcements. Okay, number one, throughout the entire show, please remain seated. Okay, because if you move around, it might distract our sea lion from doing his behavior. Number two, for those of you who are sitting in the first few rows, okay, especially the blue benches over here, you guys are what we call the splash zone. Okay, meaning you are going to get really wet. Okay, so for those of you guys who want to have some fun, you guys want to get wet, it's going to be very hot. They do join us over here at the blue benches. Okay, alright, with that said, I'm going to ask my soundman, are you ready? Alright, my soundman is ready. Now I'm going to ask my sea lion, are you ready? Alright, my sea lion is ready. I am ready. Now the real question is, are you guys ready? Alright, we're going to the Western Coast of the United States of America. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for California. Alright, there you go. Welcome you guys to the Splendid Safari show. Alright, of course, this is our sea lion and this is Pedro. Hello, good morning guys. Pedro and Paige. Okay, you know guys, sea lions are fascinating animals. Okay, you can find them living on both land and water. They can dive up about 180 meters deep and hold their breath for about 10 to 15 Hey, good morning, Faye. Hey, Faye, why is Pedro here? I can hear you making so much noise at the back. What is going on?
He is upset with you.
Upset with me? What did I do?
You forgot to mention something very important about him.
Something important? What is it, Faye? Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay, it's my fault. Okay, you know what, guys? I forgot to mention. Okay, that all sea lions, especially my boy Pedro over here, they're very smart and also very good looking. Good looking boy. Okay, you know what? Good looking boy. Show them what you can do. Come on. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is 200 kilograms. Okay, the two front flippers. Play one more time, please. Alright, now there's another animal that looks like a sea lion. They are called true seal. Okay, now true seals move and look a little bit funny on land. Okay, so right now, our Pedro here is going to show you guys how they move. There you go. Alright, now they move in such a way because of their two short front flippers. Okay, so right now Pedro here is going to show you guys how you move on land with some style, of course. There you go, flipper one. Spinning around. Dancing for you guys. Very happy boy today. And the drill spin, there you go, all the way back to the podium, ladies and gentlemen. How about another big round of applause for Pedro? Okay. Alright, so you guys have seen how smooth he moves on land. Do you want to see how fast he can swim? Yeah? Alright, Pedro, let's swim. Hello, let's go. What are you doing? Phil, why is he shaking his head like that?
He doesn't want to swim.
He doesn't want to swim, but why?
He says so something big and scary.
Something big and scary! Something big and but that one laughing so loud, hey, look at them, so bad. You know, Monday morning they say I'm the big and scary one.
In the pool.
In the pool! Okay. Oh, lucky it's not me. Then I tuck in my stomach first. Alright, in the pool. Okay, we are gonna check the pool. Faye, Pedro, you check that side. I will check this side. Okay, let's check the pool. Okay, there is nothing here. Your side. Okay, there is nothing over there, Pedro. Okay, Pedro, come on down here and show them how fast you can. Pedro, there is no shark in the pool. Stop pretending, boy. Let's go. Alright, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now that is 40 kilometers per hour, okay, almost as fast as a moving vehicle. So right now, Pedro is going to do my favorite move, that is the belly slide. There you go. Okay, right now, focus your attention over at Faye here. Okay, this is what we call, no, this is not what we call. Okay, now, failure is only one, what we call a ball target. Okay, so what Faye is going to do, I'm going to raise the target all the way up high and booyah, there you go. Alright, Pedro, you know what to do, let's get the back, come on. Good job, Pedro. I want you guys to not be wrong for Pedro over here. Thank you so much, Pedro. Alright, okay. So right now, okay, this is what we're gonna do, okay? You guys have seen how smooth he moves on land, how fast he can swim. So right now, we are gonna see how smart Pedro actually is, okay? So this is what our finger is gonna do. Alright, he's gonna lay Pedro down. Just like that, there you go. Okay, then you're gonna put a small fish right in front of Pedro. Okay, one small fish. Alright, okay now, Pedro's cue to take the fish is one big single clap. Okay, one big single clap. So today, we are all going to give the cue. So I need all of you guys to raise both hands up in the air, just like this, okay? Everybody now. Okay, now. Alright, wait for my cue. Okay, on the count of 3, one big single clap from everyone. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, eh? Why never move? Try again. Okay, try again. Okay. We are gonna try again. Okay, ready? Raise both hands up in the air. Alright, wait for my cue. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. Okay, you know what? I'm just kidding. Okay, look. Pedro's still not moving. Okay, no, okay. You try. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Now that is what I call intelligent, because he knows by doing a good job, and of course by listening to favor here, he's gonna get a lot more fish and a big one. Oh, there you go. Okay, that was my favorite part of the segment. Okay, Pedro is gonna show you guys how he balances the ball using his very flexible neck.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna try to balance it on land and see what he can do. Alright, there you go, turn. Wait, not yet. Okay. Alright, we're gonna start this all over again. Balancing the ball. Alright, flip the ball. Spin! Oh, okay. Never mind, it's okay. He's done a good job. We're gonna try this again. Come on, Pedro, you can do this. Get the ball. Alright, come on, guys. Make some noise for Pedro. Come on. Okay, alright. He's very excited today. Come on, Pedro. Calm down, calm down. You can do this, Pedro. Okay, get the ball to the stage. Relax. Alright, take a breather. One more time. Flip a walk. There you go. Speed up. Oh. Steady. Stick with the ball. All the way back to the point. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to get the ball. There you go. Woo. This is like a football match. Okay, very exciting. Okay, you know what, guys? Alright, you know what? Let's slow things down just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. Now let's talk about the ocean deadliest monster. Okay, now it is not the great white shark, it is not the Loch Ness monster, it is not even fail over here. Okay, it's actually fresh plastic bags just like this. Now every single year, tens and thousands of sea animals such as sea turtles, dolphins and sea lions such as Pedro over here, they accidentally get choked on this thread, get choked on this plastic because they think it's food for them. And you know what will happen to them? They drown and they die. Now, fishing nets and fishing lines left out in the open ocean are also very harmful to them. Okay, for one thing, if a fishing line has to get caught around their flipper, alright, they have a broken flipper, right? And this is how they move. Making it very hard for them to actually escape from their predator. There you go. And of course, the worst thing, right? If a fishing line happened to get caught around his neck, oh, I put you Pedro. There you go. Okay. With the tongue sticking out, I know, okay, what are you doing? Okay, alright, you know what, guys, there's a lot of things you all can do to help save Pedro's homeworld. Okay, for one thing, for those of you who like to go grocery shopping, okay, especially the mommies, right? When you visit your local supermarket, instead of taking and using those plastic bags from them, why not get yourself your very own canvas bag, okay, just like Pedro over here. And of course, if you do not have any, alright, do not worry, you can always visit our retail shop out here and get one for yourself today, okay? And of course, Pedro went shopping the other day with his canvas bag and he got himself his very own water bottle, alright? So, it's time to tell you guys that instead of using those one-time use plastic bottle, get yourself your very own water bottle, okay? And of course, later during the day, you're very thirsty, your water bottle is empty. Alright, do not worry, we have lots of water cooler around the zoo. You can top up your water bottle with fresh, cool, clean water, okay? And last but not least, the thing that we should do, that we should practice actually, is the 3R. Reduce, reuse, and of course, recycle. Okay, come on, Pedro, let's show them how we recycle in the zoo. There you go, all the way to the recycling bin, and there you go. Okay, come on, guys. I believe you can learn how to do this. You can do the same thing too. Okay, so it's really, you know, let's join us all of us together to fight the ocean biggest monster. Okay, alright. So right now we are going to end the show, but let's end it with a big bang. So guys, get your cameras ready, Pedro and Faye. Whenever you guys are ready, let's go. This is from Star Promising. Sings beautifully up in here. Alright, Pedro, you know what to do. Let's get them wet one last time, Pedro. One for the road. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the end of the show. Now, on behalf of the Singapore Zoo, my colleagues, we have, what do you call it, puppies on sound. There you go, sorry for the name wrong. This is a pay right on stage. Last but not least, this is of course our superstar of the show. Our California Sea Lion, this is Pedro. Alright, now my name is Juan. You guys have been fantastic. I hope you have enjoyed yourself. And pleasure party. Thank you, take care. Have a good day, guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe, right?
Please remain seated and wait for our presenters or operation friends to call out to your row to exit. Now we'll direct you to the exit point, and once you have exited from the amphitheater, please do remember to practice social distancing by keeping at least 1 meter away from the next group of guests. With that, thank you for your understanding, stay healthy, and take care.